It is given that the escape velocity for a projectile at Earth's surface is Ve. A body is projected from the Earth's surface with a velocity 4 times of escape velocity. The velocity of body when it is at infinite distance from the center of Earth is. So a question in this format, just remember that we need to always find out the answer by using the concept of conservation of energy. So over here in this question it is given that an object is projected from the surface of Earth with a velocity which is 4 times of escape velocity. We know that if it is projected with a velocity which is equal to escape velocity, it will move up to infinity. So definitely if it is projected with a velocity 4 times of escape velocity, it definitely will move up to infinity. So after some times this object reach infinite distance from here. So our aim is to find out at infinity what about the value of velocity of it. So for the calculation purpose, we are just doing only one thing, that is we are just going to write total energy at initial position should be equal to total energy final. So you can write total energy initial is equal to total energy final. What was total energy initial? As we know that total energy is sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy, or kinetic energy initial plus potential energy initial will give the value of kinetic energy final plus potential energy final. What is kinetic energy initial? It is half into m into what about the value of initial velocity, which is given as nothing but 4 times of escape velocity, the square of that, half into m into v square. And what is its potential energy? Potential energy is energy on the surface, that is minus of gmm divided by r. That should be equal to its kinetic energy at infinity. Let's say we assume that its velocity at infinity is v. So we can take it as it is half into m into v square, and its potential energy at infinity is going to be 0, as we already know that at as infinite distance the value of potential energy is going to be 0, or we know that potential energy is minus of gmm by r. As r tends to infinity, the value of potential energy is going to be 0. So we can find out what about the value of v. So what we'll do is we can cancel this m, and an m over here. So we can write this as 4 square, it is 16 ve square divided by 2 minus gm divided by r is going to be v square divided by 2. So we can write this 16 by 2, which is 8 into ve square. V is nothing but given as escape velocity on the surface, and we know that escape velocity on the surface of a planet is nothing but 2 gm divided by r. So we can just put this value over here. So we can write this is equal to nothing but let's see over here, rm is to find out the value in terms of escape velocity. So keep that escape velocity over here. We can take the next term, that is gm by r, into escape velocity. Okay. So what we'll do is the equation for escape velocity, that we know that it is root of 2 gm by r. So if I'm squaring this, we are going to get v square is equal to nothing but 2 gm divided by r, or we can write this v escape square divided by 2 is going to be gm divided by r. I'm writing this in terms of escape velocity, because rm is to find out the value of v, final v, in terms of escape velocity. So I'm just going to change this gm by r in the form of v e square divided by 2. So let's see what we'll get. 8 into v e square minus this gm by r is nothing but v e square divided by 2 is going to be v square divided by 2. So we can write that is 16 v square minus 1, that is 15 ve square divided by 2 will be equal to nothing but v square divided by 2, or you can write the value of v is going to be root of 15 times of ve. So this v is going to be under root of this, or root of 15 into root of v square is v.